Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to talk about a bit of a more rare aeonium I have in our yard. This is the bicolor aeonium. Now its proper name is Aeonium Arboreum Variegata, and it's smaller and has thinner leaves and smaller rosettes in general, and it's a bit more sensitive than your traditional Aeonium Arboreum, or something similar would be a sunburst aeonium, which is a tricolor. It has pink on the edges, so you can see this one is just a bicolor with two beautiful colors. There's a very similar variety that's bigger and thicker called Albo Variegata, and that also will have some pink on the tips. So this one is a bit more uncommon. Now you see, if you saw our other video, we'll put a link here, you should check it out. It's our Aeonium variety tour, and I talk about snail damage. You can see that this variety does get a bit of snail damage, as most aeoniums do in the winter and spring in Southern California. Now what I like about what I call this the bicolor aeonium, but what I like about this bicolor plant is the variation on the rosettes. You can see this one's very pale green and a bit of a cream or white on the edges, versus this one has very different. So each rosette's kind of unique, like a fingerprint, and that's something I really like about this plant. And it's just a bit more sensitive. It does not tolerate full sun in Southern California. It likes a part sun environment, and it's really stunning. So I have it under a jacaranda tree and some bamboo, and it gets only filtered sun, honestly, all day, maybe an hour of direct sunlight in the afternoon. But you can see it's really happy, hardy to 25 degrees. These aeoniums in general, this is a unpatented hybridization, but aeoniums are generally from the Canary Island area, if I remember right. And this one supposedly online said it had no seeds. It produces no seeds, and it also is sterile. So that's one of the drawbacks for aeoniums hybrids, I guess. And you can see soil requirements. It prefers well-draining soil. It's on this wall here, and it gets overspray from the lawn. And I've added palm and cactus mix with perlite and pumice. You can see I took care of a snail there. That's the one thing that you got to really worry about with this variety. It seems like the snails just love it. So there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe. Here's our bicolor aeonium, and it's also known, its proper name I should say, is Aeonium Arboreum Variegata. Alright, have yourself a wonderful day. Give us a like and a subscribe, like I already said. And if you have any questions about this plant, please hit us up in the comments, and we'll try to respond to you quickly. Take care. Dude, it's creepy.